Hello again, here to talk to you about the hydraulic symbols as talked about in previous videos. The subject gets more and more complex and there's more to look at in each symbol. Today we are looking at accumulators. So this is an energy source and pressure is stored in here and hydraulic oil down here. In this case we have a gas source here. This is a diaphragm accumulator with a straight line there. Gas is here, oil's here, and the pressure's going out here. The accumulator needs to be charged with gas to give hydraulic energy. We would typically use this to store hydraulic energy. This one here is a bladder type accumulator, so it's got the curved symbol there. Over here we have a relief valve. Every hydraulic system should have a relief valve. We have oil coming in here, pressure coming in here. We have a spring with a variable setting here, and what happens is the oil pressure goes around here onto this surface here, pushes that up depending on the spring pressure, and this line would then relieve back to tank or into some other part of the system. Every hydraulic system should have a relief valve in it somewhere. Here we have a directional control valve. They have many aspects to them. This is one of the most simple ones. So it's a solenoid controlled, spring-centered directional control valve. We think of these valves in three sections. We have the center section and then the spooled sections. Here we have the electric solenoid symbol and the spring symbols. In the neutral position, this valve P and T ports are connected. So pressure and tank are connected. The oil flows through here and back to tank. A and B ports are blocked. When we activate this spool, the spool moves across, this solenoid rather, this spool moves across, the oil flows from P through the arrow this way to the A port. The oil flows from the B port back down here to the tank port. When we activate this solenoid, the oil flows from the P port out this arrow to the B port, and likewise from the A port back down here and into the tank port. We trust that's been helpful and we look forward to speaking to you in the next video.